Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to view or change your Wi-Fi network name and password using the Cox Panoramic Wi-Fi app. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update your network name, this is a quick and easy process. Let's get started. First, open the Panoramic Wi-Fi app on your smartphone. Make sure you're signed in with your Cox account at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Wi-Fi tab. Next, tap the Wi-Fi Details tab to view your current network information. To view your password, tap the blocked eye icon. This will reveal your current Wi-Fi password. If you want to change your network name or password, tap on Edit Wi-Fi Settings. From here, you can tap on the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password fields to enter the new information. There's also a toggle labeled Broadcast Wi-Fi Name. This should stay on unless you want your network to be hidden. If you turn this off, you'll have to manually enter your Wi-Fi name to connect. Once you've made your changes, tap Save. The app will now apply your new settings. Keep in mind, if your phone or other devices were connected to your old Wi-Fi name or password, you'll need to reconnect using the updated info. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi name and password are now updated through the Panoramic Wi-Fi app. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.